Danger, I've been told to.
The gourmet adventure continues.
Indeed.
We have strawberries dipped in chocolate.
On a stick. On a stick.
On a stick.
On a stick.
Thoughts?
Chocolate and strawberries are good.
Do you even need to taste it to know?
Nope.
And here
is the most messed up thing of all.
now what is that?
Deep fried Oreos. You got Oreos on my deep fry. All right, here we go. So, it's still warm. Ow, actually, really warm. Hold on. Okay. Oh.
It feels like burning.
Once you get past the burning sensation, because it's like hot out of the deep fryer, it's quite good. I highly recommend it. Who thinks of this stuff, man?
People in the south, they deep fry everything down there.
We're moving to the south.
Dang. Any last words? Hang on, what we got?
I'm suddenly gripped with the sudden desire to go home and play Redneck Life with Mike and Adena. I don't know why.
Alright, any last words on this segment?
A successful trip to the Stampede. Yes.
So
looking
far?
forward to like a normal meal tonight. But yeah, should be good. Yeah, thanks you guys.
Alright.
We open with Mike. What we got there?
Boneless wings.
Boneless wings. Nice. Adena? Giant corn dog. Excellent. Bubba?
Cheese and fries.
Cheese and fries. Myself? Cotton candy. Very nice. Boneless wangs. What are we thinking? Thoughts? Yeah? Good?
Sauce is good.
Sauce is good.
It needs more mustard.
More mustard needed for the corn dog, but otherwise good? Okay, cool.
Fries are fries.
Fries are fries?
They're tasty.
Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Good work, you guys. Do you think that your baby's gonna like be developing a taste for like carny food early?
Or an aversion too, maybe.
Do you think Gerber's makes like a corn dog flavored baby food? What do you think?
I don't think so. I think I'm gonna regret this later.
How about a little deep fried formula maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
Danger, I've been told to expect it. I begin my descent down the cold granite steps.